Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell.
Hello you guys, it's Christina Marie back with another video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, then what are you doing? What are you doing? You might as well hit that subscribe button so you can definitely join the family too. And that's on what? That's on Mary Had a Little Lamb. Okay, y'all, so we're just gonna get straight into this video. So I was like, why not let y'all watch me do my wig and stuff? This video is non-sponsored. I've had this hair since April. I got the hair for my birthday. I made it into a unit. So this is Indian Virgin Hair. The company is BGM Hair. The length is the 18-inch 13x4 frontal, and I have 224s and 226s. This is the unit. As y'all can see, it is already plugged. The first time I got this installed, I let my sister install it, and that's because I had it done for my birthday. It's already plugged. I had it in the side, I mean not the side part, the middle part. I'm gonna switch it up, but I want to show y'all the length of the hair. Like, it's so thick, luxurious. I've had this hair since April. Okay, y'all, so I'm just letting y'all know I don't do the ball cap method. I do here and there, but on this particular day, I'm not gonna do it. And the way that I'm going to lay this wig is that I'm actually going to do it piece by piece. So I want to start off in the middle first. Just kind of like piece by piece. I'm gonna start off the middle and the side, then I'm gonna do the sides last. Period. So the first thing, I have already done this step, but the first thing you're gonna want to do is, I'm just gonna do it again, just cause, you know, could have got a little oil there since the last time I wiped it. I want to get like a paper towel, cotton swab, whatever you want to use, and you are just going to clean the perimeter. The perimeter of your wig, I mean your hairline. And I would highly I'm highly going to suggest that you use 91% alcohol. And I would only suggest 91% upward. So first, I'm probably gonna need to measure this, just so I don't want it to be like on my forehead type jump. If y'all know what I'm saying. Like, don't nobody want no wig that's on their forehead. So I'm probably gonna like lay it kind of like right here. Just trying to make sure it'll lay. Cause period. I mean, it's gonna be bad, all right? Tie those edges down with an elastic band and blow dry for the melting process. Yeah, so it is currently the next day, and what I did was I put flexi rods in my hair because I didn't feel like curling it. Flexi rods are just so beneficial. They take less time, and I know how to curl my hair to where it looks like I actually wanted it. Period. So we're gonna take these out. Let me take out the back first. Cause period, y'all see that first one, right? Oh, okay, like I wanted it, right? Oh, okay. y'all, so I'm done taking out my flexi rods. Y'all see the curls? Y'all see the shine, right? Period. Okay, so as y'all saw, like in the previous clips, this hair is like, it comes here. But of course, because like it's flexi rodded, y'all see that, right? It come to my waist. On my hip, whatever. But it's flexi rodded, so it looks like this. So you would think, okay, it's flexi rodded, she gonna leave it like this. No, honey. I like hair that has a lot of volume. I like big hair. I don't like, this is too confined for me. I don't like this. So you already know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna shake my head back and forth just to let them loose. I don't comb them out. I don't separate them with my fingers. This is just the method that I use. So let's get into it. Y'all see it, right? See what that little bit of shaking did to it. And of course, the curls and stuff are gonna drop. So I ain't even really too pressed about how, it gave me a headache. I'm not really too pressed about how squinched up the curls look, because they're gonna drop throughout the day. And then I gotta work today too. So yeah. Now I'm gonna take out the elastic band. I'm so ready to take this off because this thing will be so tight when I go to sleep with it on. This period. Of course, I'm gonna have to because it looked like two different tones and I don't like that. I'm gonna have to use my hot comb and I'm gonna get like some makeup. I'm just kind of gonna like dab it. Of course, clean that excess off because I don't like how that looks. It's looking real, like, as y'all can see, ashy. So I'm gonna go fix that right quick, then I'm gonna come back. Period. Okay, y'all, so what lace? Okay. I love BGM Hair. Like I said, this video was non-sponsored. I was like, I just want y'all to watch me do my hair because I'm trying to get more into wig installs because normally my sister does my hair, but I'm trying to learn how to do it myself. I'm getting better and better. I'm learning how to bring my hair down. I'm proud of myself. But I love this hair. I've had it since the end of March 2021, so this year, and I love it. But that'll be all for this video. Thanks you guys for watching. If you watched this far, then you really need to go for real. But as I always state, don't let nobody ruin your day, because if they ruin your day, I'm gonna have to beat them up, and we don't want some problems. But if you're a true K-baby, stay lifted and stay encouraged. Always make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button as well, and comment down below what type of content you guys want to see next. Love you, K-babies.
You blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you look in my eyes, man. I swear I'm getting back with you, girl. Keep on talking about my